The world has been grappling with the COVID-19 pandemic for almost 2 years now, but a lot is still unknown about the virus. As the virus keeps mutating to different variants from time to time, its true nature continues to remain a mystery. However, researchers in the US recently stumbled upon an interesting aspect of the virus, particularly about its behavior in an infected human. Researchers at the Vanderbilt University Medical Center in the US have found that the virus might act differently depending on the time of the day and the body's circadian rhythms. The study, titled Diurnal Variation in SARS-CoV-2 PCR Test Results, Test Accuracy May Vary by Time of Day, was published in the Journal of Biological Rhythms on October 27. The study aimed to determine if the percentage of people testing positive for COVID-19 varied based on the time of day they were tested. Interestingly, the researchers found that people were up to 2 times more likely to have an accurate positive test result if they took the test in the middle of the day compared to at night. The researchers thus concluded that the SARS coronavirus 2 virus, which causes COVID-19, acts differently in the body of an infected person. This is, however, not exclusive of the SARS coronavirus 2 virus. Studies on other viral and bacterial infections have also proved the same. So, how and why does the virus behave differently in the human body? The COVID-19 virus does what is called shedding in the infected body. Shedding is a process where infected cells release infectious virus particles into the blood and mucus. The study has found that the virus appears to be more active in the middle of the day and that viral shedding is at peak during this period. Hence, an individual is more likely to get a positive result when they test for COVID at midday. The chances of getting a false negative result are higher during other times of the day when the virus is less active in the human body. The study found that the virus acts also depending on the body's circadian rhythm. The circadian rhythm is one of 4 biological rhythms in the body. It helps control one's daily schedule for sleep and wakefulness. This rhythm is tied to a 24-hour body check and is influenced by external factors like light and darkness. An individual's immune system works in tune with this rhythm. The study has found that the virus's activity in the human body is in sync with this rhythm, making it most active during the middle of the day. The study is a significant breakthrough in terms of test sensitivity. The study concludes that taking a COVID-19 test at midday, which is the optimal time, will help in accurately diagnosing people. It will also help in accurately identifying infected but asymptomatic people. The study is significant as taking tests at the optimal time can help avoid the risk of false negatives that can be harmful both for patients and their contacts. It will help curb the further spread of the infection. A federal report.